My name is Chris. I'm the Business Development Manager for Cubewise in the UK. So, unknowingly, I started using TM1 right at the start of my career. Where I was a junior accounts assistant. I was given the task of inputting the numbers into Excel and then pressing a button to upload them into this mysterious database. What I learned later in life that was TM1. In fact, I was using the action button to upload the data. But it was kind of 4 or 5 years later in my career when I truly started to understand the power of TM1. So I joined a company as an assistant accountant and was working in the month-end reporting, so producing management accounts packages, using perspectives, and then from there had the opportunity to work with a developer on an implementation of a new module within the Planning Analytics and TM1 estate. And from there it was where I really kind of got under the hood of what was going on, behind my Excel reports, and really started to understand the power of TM1. Yeah, so the Lightbulb moment itself, I guess, came around about that time. The point at which I got to see behind the scenes and understanding the code and the implementation in more detail. I've had come from a background of automation and using VBA to improve processes, and so the transition then from VBA through to a TI process was very logical for me. But it was then at that point, implementing the new employee forecasting model, that I saw the power of the real-time calculations with the rules, the way in which you can have the different layers of the calculations and giving you the results you need. I think for me the future of TM1 is long. We see in the market there's always the next best thing, the next shiny thing that's coming along, and it has its moment, and then people realise it's not as good. Whereas TM1 has been around for 40 years. The fact that technology is so advancing at such a pace, yet it's still around 40 years later, tells you that the underlying technology, the underlying principles that TM1 was developed on are yet to be beaten. And I think because of that, TM1 will have a long and continued future.
In the universe of TM1, the lightbulb moment is described as the phenomenon of clarity that a business developer or manager has once encountering the advantages of TM1. We asked Cubewisers to share their lightbulb moments. This is what they had to say.